To open a WordPress website in XAMPP, follow these steps. Install XAMPP. First, download and install XAMPP from the official website. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Start Apache and MySQL. Open the XAMPP control panel and start the Apache and MySQL services. These are required to run the web server and the database. Download WordPress. Download the latest version of WordPress from the official site. Extract the downloaded zip file. Move WordPress to the XAMPP directory. Move the extracted WordPress folder into the htdocs folder inside the XAMPP installation directory. Create a database in phpMyAdmin. Open your browser and go to the following link. Click on Databases, create a new database and click Create. Configure WordPress. Navigate to the following link. WordPress will prompt you to set up your site. Enter the database details. Database name, username, password.